like drunk and shit when he was younger, DUIs and shit, and then he got a wife and she like shaped him up.
That's several.
And he had tons of hacking. He's not a president, he's like a vice president. So maybe it is Dick Cheney, because he was a vice president.
Yeah.
He's just a white guy.
Clashing. Ball team's hot right now, coming off big wins. Actually, Arizona lost to Miami last week. But a huge win for the Bills against the Seahawks.
Are the Cardinals...
Call 911.
Calling emergency services.
So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look at this footage. This is an older GoPro, so it was hard for me to punch in on this, but right here, we're gonna go ahead and zoom in. You're gonna watch the teal car on the left, right there. Boom, hits the rider, she goes down right in front of another one. We're gonna slow this down a little bit, take another look. Boom, impact, she slides right in front and in between two riders right there. That could have been a whole lot worse. Bunch of people pull over to help her out, that's good. I was probably just moments behind there. These guys right here look like they're going in pursuit of the vehicle. I'm not sure exactly what happened with the pursuit. I have no information on that. I'm not sure if they caught all the way up to this driver and the driver was brought to justice on the whole situation, but this is basically what led up to the events of the previous video. So here's the moment in my video where I realized that somebody had crashed, pulled over to check on the rider. She just told us that a car swerved into her. She was complaining of shoulder pain.
Anything else? You should probably sit down. You want to?
A bunch of us were already crowding the situation and asking her questions, so I just wanted to be kind of brief. Went over her gear. You can see the shoulder impact right there on her vest, how much material was shaved. I went over her helmet just to make sure she didn't hit her head. Everything looked fine. Eventually, she chose to ride away, and we all just kind of moved on.
Supply and match activate each order. Cards are issued by JP Morgan Chase Bank, N.A. member FDIC. Restrictions and limitations apply. Offer subject to change.
Son of a... Holy shit. Shit. Oh boy. That was close. God damn.
You okay? Yeah, it looks great.
That's crazy. Was it a green for you?
That's right.